to open Hatchimals that I got from the store. I do love these, and I have seen them on YouTube. They're my favorite, and they're so cute. Well, I have seen one of the episodes, but I kind of like this tiger, and I think there's still more eggs inside. So I'm going to start opening it, and you might see that I think this is where they put the tiger, but I don't think they have it here. But let's start opening. Let's see if we can open it carefully. Oh wait. We'll just open it from here. Oh wait, with tape. I thought it was just 2 minutes. Wait. Something else in here too. Oh no. Oh my god. And what is this? So we got this. I think these are for something else. And I think these are stickers. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Ooh, it looks like they're at the night having a party. Let's put those there. Now let's start opening these up. Okay. I'm gonna turn the pig if I can't. Wait, I'm gonna try my pants. That's strange. Doesn't turn pink. I think this is a different egg that doesn't turn pink. Let me try again. Yep, I think it's the other egg. Oh wait, I think I see color changing. Yep, I do. Let's just open it. I think this is a different one. How do you open these? I don't know how to open this one.
Put it in there.
Let's take the other one. Oh, they're very hard. Oh wait, they do color change, I think.
Maybe you gotta put it inside there. Look at the instructions over there.
Oh, here it is. Oops, sorry guys. Here's all the instructions. Let me open it. I wonder if they have one of those things like check what you have. Okay, here's instructions. Oh, so what we're looking for is just something else. I think it's...
Maybe the eggs go inside here.
Yeah, I think they do. I think you're supposed to do that. And number 2, crack it. And then you see what it is. That's connected to. I hope I have a limited edition. So it said to do this.
Take this out.
This is really cold. Wait. I see some color. Tell me in the comments if you see color change right in the middle of that heart. Because right now I'm seeing one. Oh!
What?
Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh gosh, I thought this egg was hard. I think I got this. Wait a second. It's like half animal. Ooh, it looks like a shiny green tail. I think it's gold.
Turn it around this way, maybe. I can see it.
It's so cute.
Oh, it is so cute.
Okay, we're gonna put it there. I guess you're supposed to open it from here. I'm gonna break it. I love breaking. Let's take this out so we can put it right here. And guys, the camera just cut, so we had it to hurry, so we're gonna open these two. First, start with the egg. Okay, it's already open. Oh, wait, I thought we got a twin. Is this her sister? Oh no, it's just this cute, I think, bird owl or something. Tell me in the comments that this is a penguin or a bird or owl. Now, we start opening this. Ugh. Okay, mix that quickly.
Oh, that's like a little swing or something?
I think this
For
is
the bird. Oh my god, that's so cute.
I don't think it's, I think because she's raising her wings up.
Maybe you could put it around here.
Okay, let's put her here. So these, well, we got a tiger, I don't know what this is, and tell me in the comments, see if you know. Now, let's put them, this one came here. Now, let's put this one here. And let's let her swing here, if it's safe. Well, let's put it here. So that's it, guys. Comment below. Huh?
That's so cute.
Comment below and subscribe and give me a huge thumbs up. And I forgot about something, that today is my birthday. I have a shocking cake. I'm not going to show you because I have a little bit of time to show this video, but what else I'm going to show you is that I made for myself. I made this for myself. And I am 9 years old now. The 2019. I don't think you can see it says 19, but I tried to make fingerprints with this one and all of these, so I just started painting them. Tell me in the comments if you like it. Bye.